Welcome to a tour of Snoop Dogg's lavish home collection, where style meets sophistication. First, his grand Los Angeles mansion, a sprawling estate boasting luxurious interiors and scenic landscapes. Next, his Calabasas residence, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. In Miami, his beachfront villa embraces the sun, sand, and luxurious coastal living. And nestled in the woods, his cabin retreat provides a peaceful and private hideaway. Snoop Dogg's home collection is a testament to his refined taste, offering the perfect blend of style and comfort.